Good day everyone, Agent Jojo here, and today I'm gonna be showing you the one-bedroom unit of Verdun Park. So here, as you enter, you have your granite kitchen sink, and it comes with overhead and base cabinet already, so you can have more space for your stuffs. And this area, you have your minimalist toilet and bath. So let's see how big it is. So I'm 5'8", guys, and this is how high it is. So ganito siya kalaki. And here's your shower area. So it already comes with the stainless controllers and showers. So let's go here. So you have your very decent space here where you can use it as your dining area, or you can just put some little sofa here. You also have your glass partition here. It's a sliding door, so you can have your privacy. Okay, and then when you go inside, this is how big it is. So my arms is a little longer. So this is how it is. So here you have your own private access to your balcony. So let's see. So this is the view from this specific unit, 1509. So you have the beautiful double gulf, the ocean view. And then you have a little city light here, where you can see the biggest mall here in the city, which is the SM Ecoland. And unfortunately, we can see it, but we have the biggest and the highest peak of the Philippines, which is the Mount Apo here. So this is for the provision for the air conditioning for your room. So naka-ready na yan. And this is how big the balcony is. So the price for this unit, guys, is somewhere around 1.2 million. And you can just put a 5% down payment that is payable in 12 months. We also have another 2% discount. Your monthly amortization for 12 months will be at somewhere around 15,000 pesos only. Second option is our rent-own program, where you can rent this unit for 2 years for 22,000 pesos only. So if you're interested, just schedule a site viewing with us. Kindly send us a DM or contact the contact information in your screen.